Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this clear, transparent border to your videos in CapCut PC. So you're going to just grab any video that you want. I'm just going to quickly grab this one. And I am just going to go to the library again. Whoops. And I'm going to add this white stock video. Freeze frame it so you can extend the duration. Select rectangle and you're just going to reverse it. Then you're going to create a border by doing this. It's up to you how thick or thin you want it to be. Then go to blend mode and you're going to simply hit the overlay button, and that's it. It's as simple as that. You can use it mostly for like TikTok videos, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.